By the end of this video, you will know how to run a balance sheet report in Zoho Books. Start by signing in to your Zoho Books account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu. This menu gives you access to the main areas of the account, including reporting tools. From that left-hand menu, click Reports. The Report section opens a library of available financial and business reports. If the page takes a moment to load, wait until the full list is visible before continuing. In the Reports area, find the balance sheet report under Business Overview and open it. This report shows the financial position of the business at a specific point in time, organized into assets, liabilities, and equity. Opening the correct report here matters, since several financial reports may appear close together in the list. Once the balance sheet report is open, set the as of date for the report. This date determines the exact point in time the balances will reflect. Make sure the date matches the period you want to review before moving to the next setting. After that, choose the report basis. You will typically see options for accrual or cash. Select the basis that matches how you want the report calculated. If your organization uses one reporting basis more often than the other, make sure you select the correct one here so the balances reflect the format you expect. If you want to customize the report further, click More Filters. This step is optional, but it is where you can adjust available settings to narrow or refine what appears in the report. Review any filter choices carefully, especially if the report needs to match a specific internal or accounting requirement. When your date, report basis, and any filters are set, click Run Report. Zoho Books will generate the balance sheet using the options you selected. Give it a moment if the report does not appear immediately. With the report now on screen, review the balances shown for assets, liabilities, and equity. This is the main section of the report, and it gives you the current financial snapshot based on the date and basis you selected. As you review, make sure the categories and totals align with the information you expected to see. If you need a copy outside Zoho Books, go to the upper right corner and click Export to download the report. If you need a printed version instead, use the print option. Both of these choices are optional, depending on whether you are saving the report for records, sharing it, or preparing a hard copy. Your balance sheet report in Zoho Books is now generated and ready for review, export, or printing.